Hey authors, Clayton Noblet here with Written Word Media, and today I'm going to explain to you how to make your book free while enrolled in Amazon KDP Select. When your book is enrolled in Amazon KDP, you can choose to run up to 5 free days during each 90-day KDP period. These days can be all in a row, or they can be spread out over the course of the 90 days. Keep in mind that you can either run free days or Kindle Countdown deals during each 90-day period, but you won't be able to run them both. So when you're planning your promotions, make sure you choose which one you want to do for that 90 days and stick to it. All right, let's get started. To make your KDP Select book free, start by logging into your KDP bookshelf. Then, find the book that you want to make free and click on the ellipses next to it. Select Promote and Advertise, and you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, we'll select Free Book Promotion and hit Create. Then we can select the days for our free promo. Here we'll just do 2, and you can see that the number of days used is reflected below. If we increase, then it'll reflect the full 5 days are used. Then we can hit Save Changes. And our promotion has been added. Pretty simple. Okay, that's all there is to it. For more information on self-publishing and book promotion, check out writtenwordmedia.com. Happy writing!